Hey guys, JJ here. Today I'm actually gonna show you EDC kit, kind of like EDC survival kit, or like both. So it's different from like a tin or like a bag. So this is just a kit. I'm not sure the width because I forgot about it, but you know, it's broad, it's thin, and it actually holds a lot of stuff. So let's start. So I have this kit has two latches here, and I bought it for very cheap, about $1 plus, $1 to $3. So the price is around there, and this is the standard color, with which is transparent, and it's not waterproof, but I don't go out to swim or do a lot of canoeing, etc. So I'm not really concerned with the water issues, like water going in. But if that really happens, you know, I can actually just like use one of this. Okay, I like tested this is really waterproof already. I actually tested with this, so with the string as well, so yeah. Okay, but anyways, let's start. So first I have nitrile gloves. These are the gloves for first aid, and the hospitals normally use this. And if someone is injured or I'm injured, I do not want to touch the casualties or myself with my bare hands, cause there might be bacteria so in it. So I'll use this to protect myself and the casualty. Okay, then I have a mask. This is just a normal mask, but you know, in case if there's like dust or you know, dirt around, airborne diseases, or I'm sick, coughing, I do not want to pass it to other people, so I'll use this. Okay, I have a gauze. It's a little bit dirty, but still usable. You know, gauze can come in very handy. You can put alcohol around it, or put alcohol inside it, the alcohol pad, and you'll burn like hell. So it's gonna burn it's gonna burn a lot, and yeah. I have two alcohol prep pads from Illuminate. I guess that's how you pronounce it. You know, there's 70% alcohol, so that will I can help the casualties, or I can use it to burn if I need. I have notes, like a notepad. This is basically a post-it note with that's actually like folded into half, so I can write down notes. And I have a the Monami pen. It's gel pen, I'm guessing. This is their camouflage series. It's a limited edition with that actually comes in a pack. So, and it has a octagon octagon barrel. If you can see it. Yes, it's an octagon barrel. So that's pretty cool and sweet. I have a SanDisk 16GB thumb drive. You know, I can just store my files, music, etc. inside. I have a tiny scotch tape here. I can actually just, you know, add duct tape, but I'll just go with the urban stuff. Just use normal tape. It depends on where I'm actually going. In case if I'm going to a place which there's higher chances I need duct tape, then I'll put in duct tape, and maybe I'll just stick this inside as well. I have a case, a plastic case. It says folding scissors. It's basically it's the container for the folding scissors, but I use it to put my multivitamins, Panadols here for my headache, and for daily in case if I'm, you know, if I have to go for camps, this will help. Then you guys might be wondering, what is this? Like, I have not been showing this, and what on earth is that tool? So let me just put this one aside. So this tool is that actually made a paracord handle here. It's a tiny one, and it is a Victorinox. I'm not sure what tools, what version is this. It also says Victorinox. I think version. So I'm sure what version this is. But yeah, so I bought it from a shop, and this is a nice little multi-tool that can help me along the way. So inside it's just like very few basic stuff. I just have a mini blade which is actually sharp for a Swiss blade, and if you know Victorinox knives and scissors, they are actually very sharp. They are scary sharp. So it's quite good. So you don't have to like sharpen any of those. So I have a file and a screwdriver. This is a two-in-one screwdriver. Just focus this. Okay, so this can be a Phillips or a flathead, and it doesn't come with a handle, but it has this I forgot what is this called. Yeah, I forgot what is that tool called. Even though I'm a first aid certified, but I forgot what is that. Yeah. And I have a toothpick here. So pretty cool. And it comes with a thick leather sheath, but you know, the feel of it is really like real leather, so pretty cool. Then I have some bandages, big bandages, the normal ones, the round ones, the circle ones. So if anybody get cut, I can just take it out and apply first aid on them. So that's all about it. Hope this will be your innovation, or this will be your inspiration, and you might do this in future for urban EDC kit. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, peace, forgave.